Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you will need these cards. We are going to work with colors and shapes. Are you ready? Let's play. Let's start with colors. Take your time to place the cards. Now please repeat the words. Red, blue, pink, yellow, green, orange. Great! Now let's see if you can remember them. Red. Where is red? Oh, here, red. Pink. Where is pink? Here it is, pink. Now, blue. Where is blue? Here, good, blue. Yellow. Where is yellow? This one's yellow, yes. Okay, orange. Where is orange? Here, orange. And the last one, green. Can you find green? Good, here it is, green. Fantastic. Now let's move on to shapes. Place them like this on your table. Pause the video if you need more time. Please repeat. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star, heart. Take the circle, please. Can you say it? Circle. Good. With your finger, trace the circle. Like this. This is a circle. Take the square, please. Let's trace the square. That's it. Very good. Square. Now triangle. Trace it. Triangle. Very good. Take the rectangle, please. Now trace it with your finger. Good. Rectangle. Can you see the star? Good. Let's trace the star. Well done. Take the heart, please. Heart. Trace it with your finger. Fantastic. Excellent job. See you in the next video.